Located in Puerto Rico inside the Fairmont El San Juan Hotel in Isla Verde, Foxwoods El San Juan Casino offers about 15,000 square feet of gaming space. The casino features nearly 300 slot machines and approximately 14 table games, including blackjack, craps, and roulette. It is Foxwoods' first casino outside the continental US and revives a historic gaming landmark on the island.
So we're by the front. Cool. Let's go get a player's card. Walk in the middle. Oh, they got a craps table over there. They got a craps table.
Let's see what the minimum is.
Okay. $10 minimum? And a bonus? Cool. $10 minimum?
So good for us, is it?
Let's go see if we can get a player's card. I don't know. This place is pretty busy. Foxwoods.
Y le damos comienzo a esos 10 finalistas de la gran final de Toyota Corolla 2025, 6 y 19 de diciembre. Estaremos escogiendo esos 10 finalistas que pasarán a esa gran final. Ahora que le damos repetición a nuestra noche, la próxima rifa de la vida para Foxwoods, escogiendo esos 10 finalistas adicionales que pasarán para esa gran final el viernes. Tenemos finalistas primarios como
I can't tell if it's big or the mirrors.
segunda finalista.
I think it's just the mirrors, huh? Oh, there's a drawing going on. Player's card? Did we get our player's card here? Okay.
Morales, todavía nos faltan 5 finalistas más para completar las millas de toda Foxwoods a las 9 de la noche. Tenemos por aquí como sexto finalistas Sonia Artiaga, boletos repetidos de Artiaga.
We got a restaurant over there. Nice.
11 de la noche. Tenemos nuestra sexta finalista Henry Hermosa, séptima finalista Arabella Santos.
Oh, you got a player's card?
Finalista José Oquendo.
The thing is over.
Oh.
Noveno finalista
What thing? The drawing?
Ortiz.
Oh, okay. I guess we'll finish our walking tour.
Finalista Luis Pirriel.
Table games. This is restaurant. Cool.
Amigos, a las 10 de la noche y a las 12 vamos a estar escogiendo todas las finalistas de la escogido por el sistema, manteniendo su tarjeta insertada, participa con quien que generen y dejen su tarjeta en el momento de jugada para que se participe de nuestra rifa. Muchas gracias y buena suerte.
You can do it now? Or you have to wait for the drawing? That's weird. Okay, I'll be walking around right here. I'm gonna try to get... What is this? Ainsworth. Cool.
Horarios de 4, 6, 8, 10 y 12 de la noche. Estaremos escogiendo 4 ganadores de $100 por hora. Y este ganador será por tómbola. El domingo, el próximo domingo, para Foxwoods, en horarios de 3, 5, 7, 9 y 11 de la noche.
Thought it was much bigger.
Corolla 20, 25 y $10,000 premio. Además de domingo, de 1 a 55. De la 55 años más.
I thought this place is a lot bigger. Hopefully there's some other casinos that are bigger, but at least we get a nice walking tour of this place. So wow, there's a lot of security around here though. Well, let's see what type of slot machines we could play. I know she's gonna want to jump on the craps table. It's a $10 minimum. It's not bad. And I got a bar on the right hand side over here. Quad shot. Ainsworth. Oh, I gotta play this. Yeah, that's your walking tour, everybody. A lot of table games here. Money Link. Wonder where this goes. Huh. Well, that's your walking tour, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. This is supposed to be one of their biggest, but it didn't seem like it was like huge big. They have a good selection of games.
Yeah, I think the crap was bad for us, but the games are pretty good.
I blame it on the long table.
Yeah, the long table.
But you know, the dice have a mind of their own.
There's a lot of people that are getting motivated. Not winning, but getting motivated.
Getting bonuses. I didn't. I didn't get a bonus. I only played one game. 2 games. The Lion Link. Lion Link, and then the Ainsworth game.
Yeah.
Ainsworth game didn't get it.
I did.
Thank you.
Did I do 3 games?
I think you did 2 or 3.
So the first one that I had was the Mexican mariachi.